In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade in LiteFinance. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go on the left-hand side where it says copy, just below this trade button. And then inside copy here, you'll be able to see different traders. Now, you could go ahead and filter them by different things over here, sort them as well by period, stuff like that. Or you could just go ahead and scroll down and see, of course, the different traders over here. Whenever you find something you would like to trade, so a signal or, of course, a copy trader, for example, let's say I want to use, I don't know, this one over here. Let's say I want to use this one. I'm going to click on over here. Of course, this is just an example with my demo mode, demo account, as you can see. Make sure you do your own research before you actually hop in here, and then you'll be able to see basically the info about this trader, the trading history. You'll be able to see their portfolio, and then also you can go to profitability chart over here, and this is where you can go ahead and select how many assets you want to allocate for copying, and then you'll be able to click on copy over here, and you'll basically be able to start copy trading. Okay, so that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.